Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Workforce Workshop, the go-to podcast for all things related to the ever-changing world of staffing and workforce dynamics. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly. And today we're diving into a topic that every business leader, HR professional, and entrepreneur is grappling with. Whether you're struggling with finding the right talent, dealing with high turnover, or simply trying to keep up with the evolving demands of today's workforce, this episode is for you. We're going to break down some of the most common staffing problems and offer practical, actionable solutions to help you get ahead of the curve. So, let's get started. Staffing issues can be a real headache, but the good news is that most of these challenges can be tackled with the right strategies and a proactive mindset today. We'll explore 5 key areas where businesses often face staffing hurdles and how you can overcome them. The first and most common issue is finding the right talent in today's competitive job market. It's not just about filling a position, it's about finding the perfect fit for your company culture and business goals. One solution is to broaden your recruitment efforts. Instead of relying solely on traditional job boards, consider tapping into niche job sites, social media platforms, and even employee referrals. Additionally, creating a strong employer brand that showcases your company's values, mission, and culture can attract candidates who are not only qualified but also passionate about what you do. Another strategy is to leverage technology in your hiring process. AI-powered recruitment tools can help you screen resumes more efficiently, identify top candidates based on specific criteria, and even predict which candidates are most likely to succeed in your organization. By using data-driven insights, you can make more informed hiring decisions and reduce the time it takes to fill open positions. Once you've found the right talent, the next challenge is retaining them. High turnover rates can be costly and disruptive, but there are several ways to keep your best employees engaged and committed. First, focus on creating a positive work environment. This means fostering a culture of recognition, where employees feel valued for their contributions. Regular feedback, both positive and constructive, can go a long way in making employees feel appreciated and motivated to stay with your company. Second, offer opportunities for career growth and development. Employees are more likely to stay with a company that invests in their future. This could include offering training programs, mentorship opportunities, or clear pathways for advancement within the organization. When employees see that there's room for them to grow, they're less likely to look for opportunities elsewhere. Finally, consider implementing flexible work arrangements. In today's world, work-life balance is more important than ever. Offering options like remote work, flexible hours, or even compressed work weeks can help you retain employees who might otherwise seek out more flexible opportunities. Another common staffing issue is the skills gap. As industries evolve and new technologies emerge, the skills that were once in demand may no longer be relevant, while new skills become essential. To address this, companies should prioritize upskilling and reskilling their current workforce. This involves providing ongoing training and development opportunities to help employees acquire the skills they need to succeed in their roles. Not only does this fill the skills gap, but it also demonstrates your commitment to your employees' professional growth. Additionally, consider partnering with educational institutions or online learning platforms to offer specialized training programs that align with your business needs. By investing in your employees' skills, you can create a more adaptable and future-proof workforce. Diversity and inclusion are critical components of a successful staffing strategy, but they can also present challenges. How do you create a truly diverse workforce that includes people of different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives? One solution is to adopt a more inclusive hiring process. This could involve using AI to remove biases from your recruitment process, ensuring that job descriptions are gender neutral, and actively seeking out candidates from underrepresented groups. It's also important to create an inclusive workplace culture where all employees feel valued and respected. Training and education are key here. Providing diversity and inclusion training for your management team and employees can help build awareness and understanding, leading to a more inclusive work environment. Additionally, implementing policies that promote diversity, such as diverse interview panels and employee resource groups, can help ensure that diversity is not just a buzzword, but a core value of your organization. Finally, staffing issues are often influenced by external factors such as economic changes. Whether it's a recession, a boom, or shifts in the job market, businesses need to be agile and adaptable in their staffing strategies. One approach is to build a flexible workforce. This could involve a mix of full-time employees, part-time workers, freelancers, and contractors. By diversifying your workforce, you can better manage fluctuations in demand and ensure that you have the right resources in place, no matter what the economic climate. Another strategy is to focus on employee retention during tough economic times. While it may be tempting to cut costs by reducing your workforce, this can lead to long-term damage to your company's reputation and productivity. Instead, consider other cost-saving measures, such as reducing hours, implementing hiring freezes, or offering voluntary unpaid leave. By retaining your core team, you'll be better positioned to bounce back when the economy recovers. And there you have it, practical solutions to some of the most pressing staffing issues facing businesses today. Remember, staffing is not just about filling positions, it's about building a team that can help your business thrive in any environment. I hope you found today's episode of Workforce Workshop helpful and full of actionable insights. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your colleagues and friends. We're all in this together, and by sharing knowledge, we can solve these staffing challenges and create stronger, more resilient workplaces. Join me next time as we continue to explore the latest trends and solutions in the workforce. Until then, keep innovating, keep growing, and remember, the right people are the key to your success.